We have the handbook on awards being released now, brought out by Assistant Governor Rotarian Vetrivel. The handbook will be released by Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, and RA Director Shekhar Mehta will receive the first copy. This is a handbook on awards.
It's not only on RI awards, district awards, our district bylaws, RI pilot on election of district governor nominee, and targets and goals of assistant governors and clubs on what we aim to achieve this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, the handbook of awards being released by Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, which has been brought out by Assistant Governor Rotarian Vetrivel, and the first copy will be received by RI Director Rotarian Shekhar Mehta. Rotarian Vetrivel has also brought out the district directory, and we request Rotarian Shekhar Mehta to release the district directory and District Governor Rajkumar to receive the first copy. Bringing out the district directory on time is indeed a remarkable achievement, and we must commend the performance of Rotarian Vetrivel in having done so. Ladies and gentlemen, the district directory being released by Rotarian Shekhar Mehta and the first copy being received by Rotarian Rajkumar. The Governor's monthly letter is a mode of communication that the Governor employs to communicate with the district and the Rotarians of this district. The first issue of the GML has been brought out by its editors, Rotarian Rajshekhar and Rotarian Sendil. May I request the district directory, ladies and gentlemen, brought out by Rotarian Vetrivel, in the hands of all the dignitaries on the dais. We move on now to the release of the Governor's monthly letter, the GML, which has been brought out by Rotarians Rajshekhar and Rotarian Sendil. The first copy of the GML will be released by Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, and the first copy will be received by Rotarian Past District Governor Jayarajan. Ladies and gentlemen, on stage, the GML being launched, the first issue rather of the GML being launched by Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, the first copy being received by the immediate past district governor, Rotarian Jayarajan. The men behind this, Rotarians Rajshekhar and Rotarian Sendil. We look forward to receiving many interesting issues of the governor's monthly letters this year, and we are sure with Rajshekhar and Sendil at the helm, the GML will make interesting reading. Ladies and gentlemen, good wishes from good hearts carry good vibes. Rotarian Past District Governor S. Jagadisan will now felicitate our Governor on behalf of all the Past District Governors.
Dear RI President, 2011-2012, Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, Rotary International Director, Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, Rotarian Governor Rajkumar, immediate past Governor Jayarajan, illustrious past governors, district officers, Rotarian presidents, fellow Rotarians, Rotarian Girija, fellow Rotarians, Rotarians, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all the PDGs, I have the great pleasure to offer my hearty felicitations to my dear Rotarian Governor Rajkumar on his assumption of office today. Rotarian Rajkumar, with his rich experience, would do exceedingly well in all the avenues of service. Rotarian past Governor Jayarajan has done exceedingly well during his term of office. I wish Rotarian Governor Rajkumar Godspeed, good luck and all the best in this Rotary year. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Rotarian PDG P. Jagdishan. On behalf of the Governing Board and the Past Student Association of Stain School, the Grand Lodge of South India and INTAC, may I invite Mr. Philip Fowler to offer felicitations.
Distinguished Rotarians, District Governor Rajkumar, ladies and gentlemen, I think let's start at the beginning. You have a very distinguished and accomplished individual as your district governor, and I couldn't help reflecting how much Rotary has changed from the last century when Raj was a student in Saint School to this century and a new millennium. Like Paul Harris's logo of Rotary, it is dynamic, it is not static. And to just see the amount, the generosity of heart of the Rotarians who donated so much really gladdens the heart. Raj is a Stainite, our proud school which this year celebrates its sesquicentennial, 150 years. Founded in 1862. And the school's motto, Excelsis Sequa, aim for the highest, and its masthead, to God be the glory, I am sure are engraved on Raj's heart. Our school has always been known, 100 years ago it was known as the Eton of the East, where you learn to accept victory and defeat in the same spirit, a training ground for life. After leaving school, Raj displayed a wonderful quality, that of loyalty to his old school, by becoming completely involved in the affairs of the Past Students Association. The PSA is the conscience keeper of the school and is there to remind the management and give them a kick in their backside if they are not following the right path. And at a time when the PSA was a bit dormant and sleepy-headed, Raj, and ably assisted by another Rotarian, Anand, took over the reins. And during the many years that they headed the PSA, they not only energized it, gave it vision, increased its membership dramatically, and also its coffers. Raj is a wonderful manager of money. He knows how to, the value of a rupee, how to spend it wisely, and I'm sure there's a bit of Scotland in him. Perhaps, I'm not sure it's blood or Scotch whiskey in his veins. Apart from loyalty to his school, he also has great care and concern for his city and its environment, Coimbatore, by being a member of INTAC. As you know, INTAC was founded by Mrs. Gandhi many years ago, the National Trust, to preserve and conserve our art, our architecture and our cultural heritage. And the Coimbatore chapter has been a very dynamic chapter in the country. Long before other organizations took up the cause, INTAC was responsible for organizing seminars and workshops on saving the Noyle river system and the Coimbatore lakes, built by our ancient kings, which is the lifeblood of our city. And some of the achievements of INTAC have been to save our century-old town hall, the main administrative building in the general hospital, and other projects. And Raj has been a very keen, devoted member and is one of its past conveners. But as the poet Robert Burns, a famous Scottish poet, said, rank is but the guinea stamp, man is but the gold. And if you have to look at Rajkumar and understand why he has achieved so much in public life, perhaps one of the reasons is because he's an ardent Freemason. An organization, fraternity, that takes a good man and strives to make him better. And Raj displays, I'm sure many of you know, those wonderful qualities: temperance, fortitude, prudence and justice, and charity, which at all times distinguishes a Freemason. You have ladies and gentlemen, a great Rotary governor, and I'm sure I wish Raj and Girija his eternal support behind him. A wonderful year in office. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of Roundtable India and 41 clubs, Rotarian Ilango will now felicitate our governor.
Fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, it was exactly 22 years ago, as a young 25-year-old, I joined Coimbatore City Roundtable 31, and there I met a then stalwart of the Roundtable movement. This gentleman was already the immediate past president of Roundtable India with a plethora of achievements to his credit. His ability to reach out a youngster and guide him into the movement called Roundtable was one of the reasons that at this very place, 11 years ago, I was able to take up the leadership of Roundtable India. Even as the past president of Roundtable, he went to depths to help each and every table at every activity. In fact, in Roundtable CCRT 31, which he was a member, when we were struggling to extend to Tirupur, even though he was a past president, the eye for detail made sure that Tirupur has been a strong table, and which it continues to be even today. His legacy in Roundtable, which he explained in his video, still continues, and Raj is still a well-known name in the Roundtable circles. The Association of 41 Clubs of India, which he headed in the year 95-96, is another organization which benefited from his leadership. Today the organization is going very strong with nearly 200 clubs and reaching greater glories. Never failing to achieve the charming ladies, he ensured that he had the support of everyone around him to achieve his goals. Raj's goal-setting style, his eye for details, ability to motivate his team, and his single-minded focus to achieve his objectives has been his hallmark for success. And I'm sure that Rotary District 3201 will benefit from his leadership. On behalf of Roundtable India, tablers present and past, on behalf of the National Association of 41 Clubs of India, I congratulate and felicitate Raj on this very special day and wish him many more success in the days to come. Good luck, Raj. With Girija in his side, who's always been there as his right hand, I'm sure that he'll achieve all his goals. Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed, Rotarian Ilango. Ladies and gentlemen, all that spontaneity in contributing to the foundation has motivated one more club to become a 100% Paul Harris Fellow Club. We are glad to announce the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown has decided to become a 100% Paul Harris Fellow Club. May I now invite the president of this club, Rotarian T. Manivannan, on stage. Rotarian T. Manivannan, the president of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown, becoming a 100% Paul Harris Fellow Club. The strength of this club is 88. That means $88,000 will go to the Rotary Foundation. We congratulate this club for taking such a noble step, and we do hope and expect that more clubs will be motivated by this act of spontaneous contribution. We thank the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Midtown for such a wonderful gesture. Our guest of honor this evening is a Rotarian who leads by example. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now watch a brief profile of Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, the Rotary Director 2011-2013. Rotarian Shekhar Mehta graduated from the St. Xavier's College and he completed his post-graduation from the Calcutta University. He is a chartered accountant, cost accountant and company secretary. Shekhar joined Rotary in the year 1984 and was president in the year 91-92. He is a member of the Rotary Club of Calcutta, Mahanagar. Rotarian Mehta has led some major service projects in India, to name a few. Constructing 500 homes for tsunami survivors at Andaman and Nicobar. Starting the shelter kit program which has served about 10 disasters in India, distributing more than 6,000 shelter kits and helping about 30,000 disaster victims. Healing Little Hearts, having done more than 800 heart surgeries for children. He has also served Rotary in the international and national level committees. He is a member and coordinator on several committees. Some of these are being the training leader at Anaheim for 2 years, discussion facilitator during the RA convention at Salt Lake City, Birmingham and New Orleans. He was the chair of the Kolkata Institute in 2004. Rotarian Mehta is a recipient of the prestigious Meritorious Service Award and Distinguished Service Award of the Rotary Foundation. He is also a recipient of the Service Above Self Award. Rotarian Mehta is a skilled orator and has been a speaker at innumerable conferences, seminars and conventions in India and outside. He sees himself as a dreamer, and his guiding principle is, you see things as they are and ask why. I dream of things that never were and ask why not. His guiding mantra is, service is the rent I pay for the space I occupy in this earth. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotarian Shekhar Mehta, the Rotary International Director 2011 and 2013. I now request our District Governor to present a memento to Rotarian Mehta.